8 absurdly expensive things owned by President Trump. A home which redesigned the city. He lives in a luxury penthouse which was inspired by Louis XIV, spans 3 floors in the Trump Towers. This 58-storied extravaganza was once the crown jewel in Donald Trump's property empire. This building had been turned into a fortress since Trump won the presidency. The place is decorated with diamonds, marbles and even murals and crystal chandeliers. Advertised as having 68-story, it's actually 58. City records show that the building was ahead of its time. Donald Trump single-handedly created the market for high-end luxury residences in New York City. Rolls-Royce. His first Royce was a 1956 Silver Cloud, which was the oldest he has owned in his collection of cars. But he also owns the best car in the world, which is a $500,000 Phantom, and it is customized as per his specifications. People are guessing that he has added a fair amount of gold plating to his car. But, now that he is the president, he has had to give it up for a Secret Service Cadillac. Golf courses. He owns 16 golf courses which are valued over $300 million. Not only does he own them in the US, he owns 2 in Scotland, 1 in Ireland and 2 in Dubai. Trump Towers. The skyscraper is known to house several shops, apartments, a foyer, his offices and even his own penthouse. The building was used to film his infamous reality TV show which went by the name The Apprentice. The tower has had its own special appearances and is quite a movie star, as it was showcased Wayne Enterprises in The Dark Knight Rises and even has a cameo in the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. An actual Boeing 757. The plane is worth over $35 million and it is said that it has put even Air Force One, which is the president's private plane, to shame. This plane was once a commercial passenger plane, but things changed once he got his hands on it. The original seating and interior decors were taken apart to make way for lavish seating and interiors. He even replaced the engines of the plane with Rolls-Royce engines. And knowing him, he has had to have some gold in his plane, which is why the seat belts are gold-plated. But it does not stop there, as the plane is fitted with an office and many bedrooms, which includes a 24-karat gold sink in the master bedroom's bathroom. Mar-a-Lago Restaurant. This mansion-turned-restaurant was built in the late 1920s and is located on Palm Beach in Florida. It was purchased by him for $7 million and he has since transformed this mansion. It has 58 bedrooms, 12 fireplaces, 33 bathrooms and even 3 bomb shelters. If you are interested for a membership and in this lavish resort, then you must pay a $100,000 initiation fee and then an annual fee of $14,000. Equipped with a tennis court, a spa, several pools and even a ballroom, it is divided into 2 sections. One as a private resort and the other as a private residency for the Trump family. An S-76 helicopter. Do not mistake this for an ordinary helicopter. Priced at $7 million, this chopper received a classic Trump-style renovation when it was purchased. He took apart the interior and redecorated it for a whopping $750,000. The inside, like his plane, has a 24-karat gold-plated seat belt, handles and many other parts. A Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren. This might not be the most expensive thing owned by him, however this car isn't technically cheap either. Even though he seems like an avid fanatic of the Rolls-Royce, this Mercedes is still a pretty interesting car amongst his entire collection. Priced at $445,000, this is a car that he prefers to drive himself.